Okay, good morning. This is John here from Berry King Waterproofing. Time now is 8:45 in the morning. Heading on my way towards Sasselberg airfield, meeting up with a particular client there, and we're going to go into his old school German fighter plane to fly over certain mines from a higher level, as the client would like to install one of our new innovative machines. This new innovative machine is called the Aquapol rehydration machine. What this machine actually does is it sucks up water from below the earth to the surface of the ground, so that you don't need to rely on rainwater or sprinkler water. This is purely a free energy machine, so it's self-powered. It's got no electricity and no batteries. It's got a Tesla coil in it, and it works solely off magnetic fields of the earth. And we're going to do a proof of concept for Sassel. And if this does work, and we can suck up water from below the earth to the surface so that you can grow your crops without, like I said, relying on rainwater or sprinkler water, this is a new innovative technology that's going to change the world. So Berry King Waterproofing, you can call him the God of Water. Cheers for now. Okay, Warren, so I'm here at the mine as we speak. I'm standing on a koppie. If you know what a koppie is, it's like, you couldn't call it really a mountain, but it's like a hill. And this hill was created from when they opened up certain sections of the mine, and all the sand from the ground basically was thrown on top of a mountain, or a koppie if you want to call it, around me. The question that we need to establish is, if we install the machine, are we able to install the machine on the koppie, which is normal ground? But if you look at the color of the ground, it's more of a yellow sand mine ground rather than normal brown or red sand. So if we can install the machine on the koppie, it will be able to deal with a koppie plus 12 hectares around the koppie, which, as you can see, this is what I'm looking at around me. If you have a look at the bottom there, we've got a like a little lake or dam, if you want to call it, and inside there is fish. So what we're trying to establish around here is, if the machine can suck up water from the earth to the surface of the ground, then whatever we land up planting over here, whether it be millies or pomegranates or whatever, it's able to grow. So the whole focus here is to take certain areas around where the machine's going to be installed, and take, let's say, a 5 or a 10 square meter area, and start growing different things around there, so that we can actually see that the moisture is allowing the ground allowing the plants to grow, and allowing the moisture from the ground to feed the roots for it to land up growing. The total hectares here is about 600 hectares, but yet we're not, at the moment in this section, we're not dealing with 600 hectares. We're going to get full clarity to know exactly what we're going to be dealing with, and then we'll take it from there. So we need to just establish whether we can have a machine installed here as a proof of concept, and see exactly how we are able to monitor and gauge whether this is actually going to work for Sassel. As you can see, I'm on a koppie here, which is like a little mini mountain, but it's not really a mountain, it's like a hill. And this is all the backfill that basically came from inside the mine, so that they can reach to the coal at the bottom. So all that literally was thrown in a specific area. Now if you look at the ground at the bottom over here, he does not want to see the sand there, because this becomes sort of erosion. We want to be able to have the grass growing in these areas over here. As you can see, some of the areas here the grass is growing, but there are still open cast areas around here where there isn't grass growing. Now, with the machine being installed, obviously the machine's going to create the electric static energy on the surface, so when it does rain, it's going to allow the moisture to stay on the surface. I'm just showing you so that you can see exactly what I'm looking at.